Everyone thinks the best-selling roof angle for solar panels is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Renagi Z brackets. First up, we have the Renagi solar panel mounting Z brackets. Priced at just $10.99, these lightweight aluminum brackets caught my eye because they're designed for easy installation on irregular surfaces. If you want a straightforward and affordable mounting solution, this is worth a serious look. These brackets are specifically made for mounting panels on RVs, trailers, or even boats, making them incredibly versatile. The aluminum construction means they won't rust over time, which is a huge plus for outdoor installations. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 3,700 reviews, many users appreciate how easy they are to use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to mount your solar panels without breaking the bank, these brackets are a solid option. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed instructions. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy, you can figure it out pretty easily. But if you're not the DIY type, this might be a bit frustrating. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need a reliable mounting solution. Skip this one if you require a more complex setup, as it may not suit advanced installations. For the price, you really can't go wrong with these brackets. Now, if the simplicity of the Renagi brackets bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Eco-Worthy Tilt Brackets. Next up is the Eco-Worthy upgraded 45-in solar panel mount brackets, priced at $41.99. What caught my attention here is the foldable tilt legs, which can really maximize your solar panel efficiency. If you want flexibility and adaptability, this is worth a serious look. The tilt feature allows you to angle your panels towards the sun, increasing energy production by up to 25%. Imagine getting more power from the same amount of sunlight. That's a game changer for off-grid living. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 800 reviews, users praise the ease of assembly thanks to pre-installed main parts. Now, a few users mentioned that the instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. If you're someone who needs a bit more guidance, this could be a minor setback. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a balance of efficiency and adaptability. Skip this one if you need something ultra simple without any adjustments, as it requires some setup. For the price, the potential energy savings make this a worthy investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more robust setup. Product number 3, Renagi Adjustable Brackets. Coming in at number 3 is the Renagi 28-in adjustable solar panel mount brackets, priced at $32.99. This caught my eye because it's specifically designed for flat surfaces like RVs or rooftops. If you want quick assembly with solid performance, this is worth a serious look. These brackets are compatible with panels under 100W and designed for off-grid systems. Plus, with a rating of 4.4 stars from over 3,100 reviews, many users appreciate the precise hole placement for easy installation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It saves you time and hassle, so you can focus more on enjoying your solar energy. However, some reviews pointed out that it may not be suitable for larger solar setups. Here's the thing though, if you have smaller panels or specific off-grid needs, this might actually be perfect for you. This is great for you if you need a straightforward setup for smaller panels. Skip this one if you plan on using larger solar panels, as it may not meet your requirements. For the price, it offers a great combination of efficiency and ease. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more heavy-duty, the next option might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, RV Posware Adjustable Brackets. Next, we have the upgraded 47-in adjustable solar panel tilt mount brackets from RV Posware, priced at $129.99. This one really stands out because of its anodizing process that enhances durability. If you want something built to last, this is definitely worth a serious look. The flexibility of adjusting angles from 0 to 90 degrees means you can optimize sunlight exposure significantly. With a 4.5-star rating from 118 reviews, users love how easy the installation is thanks to pre-drilled holes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're investing in solar power, you want a mount that can adapt over time. That said, some users did mention that it feels a bit heavy for some installations. But I'll be real with you, for the stability it offers, that weight is a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a durable mount that can handle a variety of solar panel sizes. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and portable, as it might not fit that bill. Still, for the investment, this bracket gives you great longevity and performance. Now, if you want something lightweight without sacrificing strength, the last option on our list might just be your best bet. Product number 5, Bauge RV Tilt Mount Brackets. Finally, we have the Bauge RV28 in adjustable solar panel tilt mount brackets for $30.59. This option caught my attention because of its promise to collect up to 50% more solar energy. If you want maximum output for your investment, this is worth a serious look. With a 4.6-star rating from 236 reviews, users are happy with how easy they are to install, requiring only 4 simple steps. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The more sunlight your panels get, the better your energy production, and who doesn't want that? However, some users noted that they wished for more detailed installation instructions. But honestly, if you follow the straightforward steps, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly solution that maximizes solar energy collection. Skip this one if you need advanced features that you might find in pricier options. For the money, it offers excellent value and efficiency. So there you have it, 5 solid options for mounting your solar panels at the right angle. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so the best choice really depends on your specific needs. To wrap it all up, we've explored 5 different roof angles for solar panels. The Renagi Z brackets for budget-friendly simplicity, the eco-worthy for efficiency, the Renagi adjustable for quick setups, the RV Poswer for durability, and finally the Bauge RV for maximizing energy output. Each has its unique benefits, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy solar hunting!